One thing you should never try with your manhood. As a man, if you always like to perform well, if you want to be the best man you want to be, you should avoid this one thing to live a healthy life as a man. But before I proceed on this video, I want to say thanks to all my subscribers. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending from where you are watching me. My name is Kenneth Os. As you all know, I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. If you are new on this channel, you want to know more about men, natural ways to keep men, you are on the right channel. Consider to subscribe to be a member of this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. So what is that one thing you should never try with your manhood? The one thing you should never try with a manhood to live a healthy life, to always perform well as a man, to have a good immune system, and to be the best you want to be as a man. The one thing you need to avoid, never to try it with your manhood, is to never draw a tattoo around your manhood. Most men thinking that drawing a tattoo is the best way of life, though it is a choice, and I can believe that it makes some men feel among, or it makes some men feel happy because of the type of tattoo they drew on their body system. So if you do this, that one is for your body system. But for you to live a healthy life, for you to be the best you want to be, especially in the future, never draw a tattoo around your manhood or on your manhood shafts. So if you do this, see the consequences. 1. Drawing a tattoo around your manhood or on your manhood shaft can lead to cancer. Yes, that machine that is being used to penetrate or pierce the tattoo around your manhood or on your manhood can make you to have some contagious diseases. So if these contagious diseases remain in your body system, it can develop to either tumor or it can develop to cancer. So once this develop to cancer, tell me how you as a man will feel comfortable. Tell me how you are going to perform well, because cancer can also make you to experience erectile dysfunction, and cancer is also an infection or a disease that can disrupt your immune system as a man, and with this you can never perform well as a man. So this is one thing you should never try with your manhood. No matter how passionate you have over tattoo, no matter how style or how fancy, how good you want to look, never draw tattoo around your manhood or on your manhood shafts. So that is what I want to share in today's video. Please, for your good health in future and for you to live a healthy life as a man, avoid this one thing that I shared in this very video to be the best you want to be. So that is it in today's video, and that is what I want to share in today's video. I hope you get value, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. This is my piece of advice to all men. So thank you for watching. To be a member of this channel, hit the like button to support this channel. Subscribe to be a member of this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, put it down in the comment section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Thank you for stopping by, and thank you for watching. See you in my next video. I wish you good luck, good health, stay safe. Bye for now.